In India, 80% of warehouses are still at entry-level automation. That is where NIDO was built to operate.
So up to 80% of the warehouses in India are operated manually. Typically takes about 12 to 18 months for them to move to the next level, which is semi-automated operations of the warehouses. In our opinion, approximately 10 to 15% of the warehouses are semi-automated. It takes about 3 to 5 odd years for a semi-automated warehouse to move to full automation, and a couple more years for that automation to be genuinely scaled across the country or across multiple regions around the world. NIDO has 5 key USPs. NIDO provides a complete suite of products, right from your mechanization to automation to robotics, the software required to run all of these equipment, and also the operational aspects, which is rental and maintenance of the products. Along with it, we provide solutions for small to mid-sized warehouses, at the same time for very large corporations and large warehouses.
Hi guys, we are at NIDO's Nashik manufacturing facility. We are spread on 1 lakh square feet, and this is where all of our innovation comes to life, and we are able to cater all of our consumers pan-India from here. In this facility, we have the capacity to manufacture 120 kilometers worth of conveyors. This would be your belt conveyors, your roller conveyors, modular plastic belt conveyors. Along with this, we also have the capacity to make 150 gravity spirals for the vertical movements at our consumer, and we are able to make 720 profiling systems with 250 grid-based sorters. This is where we bring our design to reality. The entire metal work is done over here, where the metal fabrication from laser to bending to welding, all of it is done over here. All of our rollers are also made in-house. Along with this, the entire electrical panel manufacturing is also done in-house. We put both the mechanical components and the electrical components together in our assembly area, and this is where we also bring in our controls and IT brains into the equipment and to the entire factory level testing in the factory over here.
Within the same facility where every system is engineered, built and integrated, we've created an experience center, a space to see the complete intralogistics stack, from mechanization to operations, working as one.
Here we have AstroSort from NIDO. Astro is an extremely versatile piece of equipment which is extremely quick to deploy, fast to install, very easy to operate and maintain, and most importantly, it is extremely scalable. It takes less than 2 weeks to deploy the piece of equipment, and it could be used for primary sortation, secondary sortation, fulfillment, or even used for put away of your packages in a warehouse.
200 destinations, 100% accuracy, up to 6,000 pieces of capacity, 375 square feet of space, gives returns in 24 months. Modular by design, built for peak volume. Every NIDO machine is connected. Your ERP, your WMS, your fleet, your order system.
NIDO designs, develops and does R&D and creates the correct software, which starts right from the very bottom at the PLC controls layer. We have the layer which is the warehouse control system. We orchestrate and optimize that warehouse control systems with our warehouse execution system.
We've catered to over 2,500 plus customers. We've facilitated over 50 plus large-scale operations and 600 plus mid-scale operations as well. We have deployed solutions for Tier 1 metro hubs. But we also realized that Tier 2 and Tier 3 distribution centers were being overlooked, and that over these years has become a big focus of our solution. NIDO has installations across India and international deployments as well.
End-to-end Intralogistics, inbound to outbound.
NIDO had the flexibility, had the people with the right mindset, the speed of delivery and the correct innovation to be able to solve for the India market needs. And that is what has led us to create productized automation solutions which are plug and play in nature. Essentially, we are making warehouses get deployed quickly without the over customization, with standard templates rolled out not only in the larger cities in India but to tier 2 and tier 3 cities in the country as well.
Engineered, manufactured and integrated under one roof.